Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the problem number 1727. That's a problem of the day on LeetCode today. It's a largest submatrix with rearrangements problems. So let's decode it. In this problem, you are given a binary matrix of size mxn and you are allowed to rearrange the columns of matrix in any order. You have to return the area of largest submatrix within matrix where every element of the submatrix is 1 after reordering the columns optimally. Okay, so this is a very important pattern problem. Histogram plus sorting, we use it and solve this problem. Let's discuss the core idea here, that is the most important part of our video. We have to convert each row into a histogram of heights. If a matrix ij is equal to 1, increase heights. If 0, reset to 0. So each row becomes something like this. Now that's our key trick. For each row, treat it as a histogram heights, sort in descending order, try forming rectangles. So in rectangles you have to apply a formula, area is equal to height j into j plus 1, because after sorting first column is tallest, next column is slightly smaller. This is the core idea, and that's the solution of your problem. After that you can write your code and the code will be correct. We are using a basic algorithm for each row: build heights, copy row, sort descending, compute maximum area. So that's our basic algorithm to use in our code. This is our full C++ optimized code. We first include a namespace, then we build a public solution. We include a largest submatrix vector integer area, then we initialize the matrix of size, then we put the number of matrix, and then our important code start. We have to first build height matrix histogram for integer I is equal to 1. If I is less than m, we do I plus plus, and if j is equal to 0 and j is also less than n, we do j plus plus. If matrix ij is equal to 0, then we initialize our maximum area is equal to 0. In step 2, we process each row. For integer I is equal to 0, I is less than m, we initialize I plus plus. If vector integer row is equal to matrix I, then we sort our descending. In first descending process, we sort row by row and greater integer we put aside. Then in last we calculate the maximum area. For integer j is equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus, integer height is equal to row j, integer wide is equal to j plus 1. Maximum area is the area where the area of rectangle is placed. So the area of rectangle is height into width, length into breadth. That is a simple basic formula we use, and we return our maximum area here. That's our final code, and this code is worked. I already tested on my LeetCode. This is a very clean code you can use in your LeetCode and solve this problem. The time complexity of this problem is big O of m into n log n, and this is a very optimized code. If you have a better time complexity and any other thought, you can comment in the section. This type of pattern already asked in Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Uber and Bloomberg. So you have to learn it, and that's a very nice pattern. And lastly, thanks for watching. Solution is always given in the description box. If you are not satisfied with my code, you can comment in the section and give me some suggestion of improvement, how can improve my code. So let's signing off. Bye, thank you.